In this video, I will show you how to blur face in Lightroom Mobile. Blurring faces is simple, though there isn't a dedicated option for it. You'll need to do it manually using your editing tools. To start, go to the blur section and delete any existing masks. Then, tap the plus icon to create a new one and select the brush tool. Use it to draw a circle or shape over the face you want to blur. You can adjust the brush size as needed. Once the mask is selected, go to Effects and adjust the settings to create the blur. Increase texture, reduce clarity, add haze, and in the Details section, raise noise to 100 and lower sharpness to make the face fully obscured. You can also tweak options under Optics for a softer, more natural blur, and that's it. Your selected face will now be blurred effectively. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.